Anyways, right now what you're looking at is everything we get inside the box. So we do get this, so we can charge it up. It is wireless. And this cap that will just go on top of here, like so. And we can just remove it. It's really quick and easy. Now, something else, let me just press this. You can take this out and wash this inside. So we can just flip this around and just do a close-up just to show you. So you do see the arrows, they go that way. So we do have to flip this that way. And then you can take this out. So in order to take those out, you can just press them. They're just gonna come out like so. And then if you just do this, they're gonna come out. So right now you could clean this up and clean it all inside. Now in order to put it back in, we just insert it like so. It's very easy. We can just put this back. Now make sure you can take out all of these. So any one of these you can take out. And to put everything back together, we can just align this like so. You just push it in. You will notice these ends will align. And then you kind of just lock it by going the other way. So you unlock by going with the arrows. And you lock by going against the arrows. Right now it's locked. Nothing's gonna come out. Now to close it, just press on it. It clicks and there you go. Now the back, you can just open it up like so. And same deal. You would just clean this up after use. And put it down. And as with any shaver, here we have the power button. It's just gonna turn on. So once again, we just press the power button. Now it just turned on. You guys can hear it. And it shouldn't hurt you or anything if you just do this. So don't worry about doing that with your hand. So how do you know this needs charging? Well, pretty easy. You just press on it just to turn it on, turn it off. This will be flashing. So you see that flashing, that orange? That means we have to charge this. Now in order to charge our shaver, we just plug this down here below. You will see that this will align. And you plug it like so. Now right here, this should be flashing white. So as long as it's flashing white, that means it's fully charging. So right now, as a matter of fact, it's charging. Now, how do you know once it's done charging? Well, it's no longer gonna flash. It's gonna be a steady white light. So those are the basics when it comes down to this shaver right here. Other than that, it's a pretty light shaver. It's actually lighter than the one that I have right now. So that's kind of nice. But at the same time, when they're heavier, usually the battery lasts longer. When they're lighter, the battery doesn't last as long. Although it's nice to have something that's not heavy at all. And design-wise, you always want something that has this curve. Most of them have that, because then it's quite easy to shave. Now, something that I want to highlight is that they tell you in the instructions that you could put water in here to wash this out and wash this as well. So you could put it under your tap, but the unit itself cannot get wet. So that's why when you're washing this, you gotta be very careful. Anyways, as far as this unboxing goes, that's it for this video. If you guys have any comments, questions, you guys can write down here in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and rate. Thank you.